Well, dinner yesterday was a great success. The rest of the team are all lovely. What we're doing now is we're just going through the maps, looking at some objectives, making sure that the 3 Italian mountaineers get some rock climbing routes, and our ski mountaineering party gets some ski accessible routes. Just looking at the maps and finalising things. We've just gone through all our gear. Everyone's got the right kit with them, and this afternoon we'll be going out onto a glacier that's near Ushuaia here on foot, and just practicing some rope work, making sure we can all heave ourselves out of glaciers and things if we fall in. So that's today, and we'll be boarding the boat tomorrow.